What's going on, guys? I'm the Stock Guru, the coolest stock trader on YouTube, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I made this $100 profit day trading stock options today. You can see the profit right here, and here I was only in this trade for 2 minutes today, guys. I got in at 9:40 and basically got out at 9:42. Okay, so I'm going to change it over to the charts here and let me break down my trade. Okay, so this morning the S&P started gapping up. I think it was up about a 1%, something like that. And the first thing we did was we tried to go down. That failed, and we immediately popped up higher. And actually missed this initial move up. I wanted to get in here, but the Nasdaq really was kind of lagging behind, so I didn't really feel comfortable getting in on the SPY when the Nasdaq was lagging behind. So I didn't get in on that move. But I did see this great move set up on Apple, which also started up. So it had the good strength that the market had, and we had this nice big push up to here. So I saw that the market was very bullish, and I decided I would take a trade on Apple once we broke above this high that we set here. So the market pulled back. We pulled back here. Market's pulling back too, and then the market starts to go up and make higher highs. So I get in right as we break above this high here on Apple. I get in and I ride it up, 941, and then I sell on this candlestick here right at the top for 20% profit here, guys. So let me go back to my trades and I'll show you guys. I get in at 78 cents per contract, and I'm getting out at 98 cents per contract. So 20% profit on this trade, $100 profit, only in the trade for about 2 minutes, and it was a super, super easy trade to do, guys. We started up. It was basically just a gap and go. We started up, had some good momentum to the upside. We played the breakout, and it worked out perfectly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click my channel below. I've got a lot more videos like this one. Oh yeah, and before I go, let me just pull this up. If you guys are interested in joining a group of stock traders, you can go ahead and add my Discord right here. I've got a group, or a stock trading group, full of stock traders. We all share our trade ideas and share our ideas on what's going on in the market. So if you want to join that, go ahead and add me up. Send me a DM, and I'll send you an invite to the group. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure you guys check out all my other videos, because I promise you, you will learn something from every video that I post. All right, later, guys.